At first, I just thought it was debris. The cops were like, "This is not debris. This is a break-in."
Charlotte County deputies just arrested two 19-year-olds for breaking into a vape shop during Hurricane Idalia. Investigators say they thought they could use the storm in their favor, even saying it was easy to loot during hurricanes. But now they're paying the price. Thanks for watching NBC2. I'm Kyla Gaylor.
And I'm Peter Bush. NBC2's Madison Adams is live outside Serenity Vape Shop off Tamiami Trail in Port Charlotte, explaining how these accused criminals finally got caught more than a month after the storm.
The door is all fixed now, but Charlotte County deputies say that these two young men got inside this vape shop by shattering it. And even though alarms are out here and security cameras, it was ultimately cell phone data and social media that got them caught.
I've seen a lot of that, criminals posting their crimes online and getting caught all the time, and I think it's hilarious. They do that.
Justin Sullivan is the owner of Serenity Vape off of Tamiami Trail near Conway Boulevard in Port Charlotte. On August 30th, just as Hurricane Idalia was passing through, his store alarms went off at 3 in the morning.
I thought, yeah, storm debris or something smashed into my window. But yeah, when the cops told me it was not, yeah, I was like, holy, wow. And then I was like, all right, well, check the cameras.
The cameras showed a man dressed in all black get out of the car and smash the window, which he and his accomplice posted a picture of themselves wearing on Snapchat.
Crawled through. It looked like it fell on top of him or something like that as he was going through.
Investigators say that the burglar was Seth Whitaker, and the guy driving his getaway car was Ryan D'Amato. Sullivan says that Whitaker was only in the store for 45 seconds, but the two returned a few minutes later to pick up a flashlight that they left behind.
Wow, lucky they didn't get caught right there, because I guess the cops were already on their way.
At just 19 years old, they're not even old enough to buy anything from Serenity Vape Shop.
Maybe that's why, maybe they came in to try to grab some vapes or juice or something like that.
Whitaker was arrested on an unrelated crime about a week after the break-in. Investigators then matched his phone data to the crime. On top of the Snapchat selfies, Whitaker also took a picture of his bloody hand after smashing the window. The store owner says that the thieves didn't get away with anything valuable, but he did have to replace his glass front door, which cost about $800. He says that the thieves most likely were going to steal cash from his cash register, which was empty. I'm live in Port Charlotte, Madison Adams, NBC2.